How to germinate seeds part 2. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So if you watched the last video on how to germinate seeds, you know that we had this in our bag and it's been 2 days now, so we're gonna take it out and see how it looks. So usually you just open it. You want to make sure that you have your tray ready, and then so we have our seeds now. It should be germinated now. So usually pepper like this or garden egg takes up at least a week or two to germinate. 2 days, you can see it's already germinated. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna plant it in our seed starting tray. So you want to make sure you have your seed starting tray ready to start planting it into the seed starting tray. So you can see the seeds. I'll say more than 50% of the seeds germinated already. So this is a seed starting tray that I have. So what I'm doing right now is just taking a pen. You can take any sharp tool or any tool you have and make a couple of holes so that you can drop the seeds inside. So since I have a lot of seeds, I'm gonna be planting at least 2 seeds in each cell, and so that way I can weed out any ones that are not really good later on, or I can separate them later on since I planted a lot of seeds. So you can see just taking it and dropping it, and you want to just make sure that the seeds go into the hole, and then you're just gonna slightly cover it with the soil, or you can just leave it like that. As long as there's a little bit of soil around the roots that started germinating, it should be fine. You can just cover it a little bit. So we're done transplanting all our seeds into our tray. So what we're gonna do right now is just make sure that we label it, and then once we label it, we can cover it with our tray heads. As you can see, these are all the ones that we just put it in here. So we're just gonna cover it. You want to put it on that grow light if you're doing it indoors. If it's outside, then if the temperature outside is about 70 where you are, about 60 70 where you are, you can put it outside. But indoors, you want to make sure that you put it under a grow light, and preferably a heat mat where it can maintain that temperature, and the seeds will continue to germinate and grow. So we're done. Right now I'm just gonna move it to my grow station, and then stay tuned for the updates on the next step. Once it starts germinating and everything starts growing, we'll come back and show you the process. So this is the grow station right here. So I have my grow light right there. I have my heat mat underneath right there, and then I just cover the area, and it's good to go. You want to have it when the seeds are starting, you want to have it as close to the light as possible. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. That helps the channel out, and it also helps other people see the channel on YouTube. So subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody.